So there is nothing that I hate more than when I'm browsing around online and you see the little pop-up and it says free samples, 100% free, absolutely legit, no credit card required. So you click on it, of course, because who doesn't love free stuff, right? And about an hour and a half later, after you go through hundreds of surveys and them trying to get you to sign up for this and sign up for that, at the end of it, you don't ever get any free samples. Like, I have never once got them. So when I found an actual website that really does give you free products to try, I was like, holy cow, I gotta tell you guys about this. What's up, everybody? Alexandra here, and today we are going to talk about a new website that I just found out about a month ago that actually does give you free samples and products to try out. Doesn't matter whether you're an influencer or not, it doesn't matter who you are, as long as you are inside the United States, it is 100% free shipping, free everything, which I thought was absolutely amazing. So the website is called PINCHme, and I'm just gonna read you guys a little bit about it. And by the way, this is my PINCHme box that we are gonna open. So this is what it says. It says, PINCHme lets you discover and try products from leading brands completely free. All we ask is for your feedback on the products. So every month they will have an amazing range of new free samples that are released on PINCHme.com for members to claim. So this happens on a day that they call, I guess, Sample Tuesday, which is usually the second Tuesday of every month. So that second Tuesday of every month, you want to get on your PINCHme site and pick out what samples you want, and then they will send them to you. And then all you have to do is review them, tell them what you think about them or not, and then the next month they send you more, which is amazing. I mean, you know, what, 5 minutes of your time? And you don't have to go through 1,000, surveys trying to get you to sign up for like Netflix and everything else. You know what I'm saying? All right, so it says products range from beauty, snacks, pets, baby, and more. And then this service is available to everyone in the United States. So currently it is not available outside the United States, which kind of stinks, but hopefully they'll work on that, as they grow. You guys never know. All right, so it also says that members may receive a different assortment of items, and it's an average of usually 3 to 6 samples. So I do have a link for you guys down below. As I said, PINCHme reached out to me. They told me about this about a month ago, and I kind of did a little research on my own, kind of checked it out, and it is definitely 100% legit, you guys. It is for real. So I am really excited to see what is in my PINCHme box, and let's go ahead and dig on into it. So again, if you want to sign up for this, I have a link below. I don't get anything if you use the link. It's just a link that they gave me for you guys to try this out, which I think is, again, amazing. It's free stuff, you guys. Who doesn't like free stuff? All right, so the first thing we have in here is, it looks like from Clairol. It's Root Touch Up Concealing Powder, Temporary Concealing Powder. Oh, wow. So it's got like a little, I don't know if you guys can see that in there. Like, it's got little puffers, and then the different colors that you try out right here, which kind of stinks because I just dyed my hair. I wish I had had that like about a week and a half ago, because that would have been great, but I get grays, they come back, so I'm sure I'll be able to use it then. All right, the next thing, so this is a welcome card at PINCHme when you post, happy pincher. So yeah, apparently they're on Facebook, Instagram, and now YouTube. All right, so there is a HelloFresh Cook Up Fresh Start $50 card, $25 off your first 2 boxes, little code right there. So if anybody is interested in this, I have never tried this yet, but I've been wanting to, but I haven't yet. So as of right now, if anybody wants this, you can have it. All right, the next product we have is from Compeed, Cushioning, Comfort, and Confidence Advanced Blister Care, medium size. There is 2 cushions in here. My daughter is gonna love this because field hockey season for her is getting ready to start. She's already started practicing. She's already sprained her ankle too. So tryouts are August 1st. So she will absolutely love these. She's a goalie. Amazing, by the way. I know she's gonna kill me for saying anything about it, but Get over it. All right, the next thing here. Ooh, so we have Eva Nye Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. Ooh, what is this? So it's got argan oil and sunflower seed oil. Let me show you guys right there. So I tried Eva Nye shampoo and conditioner from another box that I'm trying out for you guys right now, and it's actually not a bad product. They're great products. They don't strip my hair of all the color, and they're not super expensive either. And I've actually seen them in Ulta too, just to let you guys know. So that is really exciting. I mean, that's a pretty nice size. I mean, for free, that's 100% free, you guys. So just saying. All right, the next thing is Aqua 4 Ointment Body Spray Advanced Therapy. Immediately soothes and relieves dry, rough skin all day. Easy to apply. Dermatologist recommended brand. All right, again, nice size sample. I mean, this is a pretty nice size sample, you guys. Sorry, my light is super, super bright, you guys. So yeah, I'm excited again to try this. I mean, because especially in the winter time, like winter's right around the corner, I really get dry skin, especially like right here for some odd reason. Actually, let's just go ahead and hello. Oh, wow. It's like foamy. It's kind of foamy, but not. It's weird. Ooh. And then like, it's weird. It comes out foam, but then it's like almost like Vaseline, but not as thick. You know what I mean? It doesn't really have a smell to it either. I like that because I don't like stuff that really, really smells strong and then you can't stand the way it smells and you don't ever want to use it. You know what I'm saying? All right, this is Native Deodorant. So it's coconut and vanilla deodorant. Oh my God, that smells so good. Oh my God, that smells good. And that's a pretty nice size sample too. It's 0.35 ounces. So that is not bad. And this doesn't have any, it's made in San Francisco, California. It does not have any, what is that called? Aluminum in it. That's smooth too. Oh my gosh, that's so smooth. Goes on clear. I'm all about that because I hate getting the little white, you know, spots, especially where I wear a lot of black tank tops. Good God, why can't I talk right now? Where I wear a lot of black tank tops, I get like the little white things right here. It drives me absolutely bonkers. All right, the next thing we have here is from Esther C. Everescent, the Better Vitamin C, 1,000 milligrams, patented immune health formula, B vitamins to support energy. So I actually love these. I already have them. I have like a whole big box of them. I love having them because especially when the kids get sick and stuff like that, dude, I'm like on these like literally daily. All right, so just to let you know, that's why I never get sick either. So last but not least, looks like we got some cookies. All right, so I love food. I love getting food. Ooh, these look good. Cookie squares baked in France. God, I can't talk today. Michael et Augustin, 2 cookie squares to bring our French pastry know-how to your neighborhood. So you guys see that? So I've got, this looks like milk chocolate and melty caramel here. And dark chocolate with a pinch of sea salt. Oh my God, I love dark chocolate. Oh, okay. So these are gonna be the ones that I'm gonna be eating. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. Ooh. I'm surprised. Oh, I was gonna say I'm surprised it's not melted, and it is. Because it was hot outside and the poor mailman. Oh my gosh, it sucks, it's melted. My cookie is melted. Let's see if I can, I just broke it. It's a soft cookie though, if you can break that easily. There we go. There we go. So it's got like little fudgy stuff, dark chocolate on the inside of the cookie. Let's see. Let's see. I'm about to make a mess. Oh my God, that is really good. Okay, you guys, so I'm about to go eat my cookies. Again, if you guys want to try out PINCHme, like I said, it's 100% free. It is actually legit. It's not that hard to go in and say, yeah, I got the Evan Nye Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. You know, we'll see. Ooh, that smells good. Oh my God. That smells like my Bumble and Bumble. Hello. Oh my God, that smells good. Ooh, so yeah, so then go in, type in, it smells amazing, and made my hair shiny and soft. You know what I'm saying? And get another free set of samples next month. I mean, come on guys, this is super easy and this is amazing. And if you are an influencer and you are just starting out, like you're just starting your YouTube channel and stuff, here you go. You guys need free PR. Here it is, right here. Free products you can try out. 100% free. Like I said, they do have beauty products on there. They have a little bit of everything. Baby, mom stuff. I mean, who doesn't need mom stuff? I need mom stuff. Give me mom stuff. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you guys, I would definitely check this out. Again, I'm going to put the link down below. Sign up, get your free stuff. I think what they say, the second Tuesday of the month or something. Let's see. Let's get back on here and look. Okay. So yes, usually the second Tuesday of the month is Sample Tuesday. So I'm guessing like that's when they like restock and put their new samples up. So if you want to be the first person to get on there and get first choice, you want to make sure you get on that Tuesday. But I'm sure they have stuff all throughout the month, you know, but if you just want first dibs of the good stuff, you want to get on that Tuesday. So anyways, I'm going to get off here. Definitely keep an eye out for our video. Hint, hint. I'm gonna do this again. Hint, hint. Our next video that I'm gonna be posting, you guys are not gonna wanna miss that. Hint, hint. All right, I'm gonna put some unboxings for you guys right here. I love you so very much, and I hope everybody is having an amazing week so far. I actually am. For once, you guys, I'm having a great week. It's amazing. I feel amazing, look amazing. Liam's chill. It's just awesome. You know what I'm saying? All right. Bye, guys. Love you.